This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show Mac users a quick way to save printer paper by using a setting in Mac Preview that you probably don't know about. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this PDF in Mac Preview, find it in Mac Finder, right-click over it, select Open With, and then make sure you select Preview. You may have other programs that can do similar features, but we're just talking about Mac Preview here. And the issue with this PDF is, you can see it's a packing slip. There's 2 pages, but the second page is kind of small, and I'd like to best be able to squeeze both of these images on a on the single side of a piece of paper. And the way that you do this is you open up the print dialog. So go to File, Print, or Command P, and then what you need to do, scroll down. If you see this, you want to scroll down until you see a button or an option that says Layout. So it says 1 page per sheet. I'm going to open that up by clicking the little arrow. It says pages per sheet. I'm going to change it from 1 to 2. And you can see what happened is the 2 images for that PDF, the 2 pages, they've basically just been put on a single sheet of paper, on one side of a single sheet of paper. And you can imagine if you actually had a big PDF with many pages, you could really start to squeeze things down. Now, of course, the drawback is everything's smaller, but for this particular packing slip, that's fine. The barcode will still be readable, and that works out okay. You also have the option of actually increasing it to even more than that, but it will get maybe too small to use practically. Like this is 16 pages on a single piece of paper, and that's obviously too small. So 2 works much better, and then you just hit print, and it will print out on a single side of a single sheet of paper. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.